trying to not show ourselves at the beginning, but I guess we kind of did. I was like, oh no.
It's like, ah!
We like ended up showing ourselves though.
Come here. Look! Creepy movie. Or video game.
I think it's a video game. Yeah, because look at the back.
Is this a video game?
Yeah, Tyler's at a video game.
It's a video game.
She has the hiccups. You're blacking yourself out.
I know, I'm tired.
Look at the flash. Look at the flash. Oh, it's a flash. Is it a flash?
I'm holding a castle.
Quit hiccuping.
I'm not hiccuping.
Alright. Let's see.
Ouch.
Ow! You gotta hold your breath. Wait, hold on. No, not yet. Not yet. Keep hiccuping.
No.
You're gonna end up hiccuping. I'm like, I'm breathe. I can breathe. Count to 10. Say your ABCs.
8, 9, 10.
Castle. No hiccups. Oh. That's pretty funny. No hiccups.
Talk about something. I'll be right back.
Okay, I'll talk about something. We're having fun. Yeah. Yep, it's snowing. Yep, you can't see it. So there is no point of doing that. Yep, no point. No. Oh, God. Help. Okay, anyway, yeah, my name's Katie. Mary! Be right back. Be right back, I gotta go find Mary.
Where'd Katie go? I'm gonna talk about something now. The phone.
Oh, shoot, go, we're scooch. Scooch your pooch. I'm back. I couldn't find Mary, and I came back to my old destination, and here she is. I was like, here I am. Are your hiccups gone?
No.
Ready to count to 10. Ready? Count with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're gone! Yep, they're gone.
No.
Yeah, she won't hiccup, Tyler. No, she won't.
Babe.
That always works. You hold your breath the right way. No more hiccups.
Go get one of those little puzzle things. Don't bite me.
No,
I'll bite you.
No,
go there.
Bye, guys. No, we have to get out. Bye.
Okay, bye.